Hello everybody, thank you to be here watching our video presentation. Today we will talk about the TsurugiLinux project, the OSINT features, and we will disclose for you something new that will be integrated in the next release. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Giavanni Rattaro. I'm the TsurugiLinux core developer and the project team leader. In the past I was an Italian staff member of the old Backtracker Linux project, passionate digital forensics instructor, and ex-Deft Linux developer. In my daily life, I work as a customer success manager for Vectra. But today I'm not alone here, and I am with great friends that is Marco. Marco.
Hello everybody, I'm Marco Giorgi. I'm a founder of TsurugiLinux and a core team developer. In a daily life, I'm a digital forensics advisor and also an ex-Deft Linux developer and a digital forensics teacher for law enforcement and professional. And now I will hand over to Giovanni.
Great, and now we can talk about the TsurugiLinux project. The Tsurugi name is a legendary word that it was used by the ancient Japan monks. And the reason we chose this name is because in 2018 we started our project in Japan, at Tokyo. The goal of our project is share knowledge and give back to the community, because we received a lot in the past and now we think that is the right moment to share back. The TsurugiLinux project are three projects in one. We will talk about the TsurugiLinux Lab, Tsurugi Acquire and Bento. But now I just want to share to you a few information on each project. TsurugiLinux Lab that we will see together today is a Linux distribution totally modified based on Ubuntu and LTS version. As a kernel 5.42 patched with a forensic patch that avoid read-write modification on device, and the main goal of this distribution is the digital forensics. But in TsurugiLinux Lab we added a part of open source intelligence tools, malware analysis and computer vision. Of course, you can use TsurugiLinux for education purpose or for professional use. And after we have Tsurugi Acquire, that a light 32-bit Linux distribution based on Debian 10. Is used only in live mode to perform disk acquisition, and like the Tsurugi Lab has a patched kernel for forensics acquisition. The last version has been released a few weeks ago. To finish, we have Bento, the portable digital forensic and incident response toolkit. It's mainly a portable toolkit used for live forensics analysis, and we have about 300 of tools that you can use to perform Windows, Linux and macOS investigation. To the right you can see a screenshot of Bento with all the menus. Here, just another image about Bento with the automatic updater, so you can copy Bento in your USB, you can perform all update before to start your live investigation. And now Marco, you can go on with the first demo.
Okay, thank you Giovanni, and now I will show you something about TsurugiLinux. The menu are ordered by the steps which we do in the normal activity. So starting from imaging and ending in reporting with all the analysis steps in the middle. The menu are also divided by category. So we have different sections for digital forensics and incident response, malware analysis, OSINT, and computer vision, with a lot of tools. In this way, maybe you can discover an unknown tool for those specific task, just exploring the right section of the menu. If a tool has many purposes. It will appear in different locations. For example, AVT extract, which will appear in Windows logs, but also in data recovery menu. Nice feature in TsurugiLinux is the OSINT switcher, which is a tool that allows us to switch from full mode to OSINT mode simply by click on an icon on the desktop. And as you can see, the wallpaper is changed, but also the menu are changed. Small menu with only the tools for the OSINT and without the tools for digital forensics and incident response. But of course, you can come back and switch back to the full mode, and the full menu appears again. Okay, but come back in OSINT mode, and about that, I will show you another feature, another tool, which is the tool for OSINT and the OSINT browser, which is a Mozilla Firefox web browser with extension and the bookmarks for the OSINT activities. So we can find and use a lot of extension and bookmarks. Of course, you can add your own. We have the user agent switcher and a lot of tools about OSINT. And about the bookmarks, we can find a lot of resources divided by categories. So geo-based searches, metadata, socials, transport, date and time, website analysis, search engine, and many other. Okay, and that's all. And now Giovanni will show you some other special feature.
So welcome on board on my TsurugiLinux virtual machine. If you go on our website, you can go in the download section, and you can download, of course, the ISO files and also the OVA files to build this virtual machine really quickly. So when we talk about OSINT investigation, we talk also about OPSEC. So for this reason, we built a new tool that is named Tsurugi VPN Wizard. In this directory, I just built a few OpenVPN configuration that are automatically parsed by the tools. So you can find here all the configuration that we have in this directory. So now, for example, I try to copy, for example, a Tokyo configuration, and I name madrid.conf. So just to show that now we have one more configuration here. So if I do a refresh, I will find it automatically in my interface. So if I show to you my EP table, I can see that there is nothing for now, so it's an empty EP table. So I can select, for example, one of the VPN. I wanna start Tokyo VPN, of course, and now the tool asked to me if I wanna allow the local network access or not. So for example, if you are not in a safe environment, you can choose to just avoid the LAN connection. So in this case, I just select this option. So now all the firewall policy has been built by the tool. So this means that the EP table are automatically generated by the tools. So for example, we can find that the IP address has been get from the OpenVPN configuration. In this tool we have also a kill switch, so this it means that if for some reason the connection goes down, so you will lose any internet connection, just to avoid to show to leak your own IP address. If you want after reset all the default policy, you can just need to click on the reset button, and you can just go back to default policy that it was totally empty before. Example, you can save all your OpenVPN configuration in an external USB key, start TsurugiLinux in live mode, and start the OpenVPN wizard. And now I'd love to show to you some tools about computer vision. For example, as use case, you have to investigate a video where you have to search about a person or someone that you don't know. So for example, for an intrusion. So in this case we just need to for example, for this example, download a video that I prepare here. So for example, we are searching about George Clooney. So we go here, sudo YouTube downloader. We can just check if the tool is updated. Now you can YouTube downloader. We download the video. In the other corner, George Clooney, we search about a picture of George Clooney. So we can just copy image location and get here. Okay, so now we have an image and a video. So we just move the video and image. Alright, so now we just wanna check if in the video we can find the George Clooney picture. In this case, we have a tools that we can find here that is named the FaceRec video, and you can find it inside the picture analysis and computer vision. FaceRec video. So this is the syntax, FaceRec video. After I put the image, so George Clooney, after we have to put the video in this place. I can put an output file, output on AV. I put the label George for example, and we need the video weight and size. So I just forgot it, so we can just exif tool video pipe wrap display. So we can find this is the size of the video, so we can put it here and here, and now we can just start the reconnaissance. So now is analyzing all the video to find the picture we know. So before I prepare the video, the match. So this is the result. VLC. So has been found George Clooney inside all the video, so we know the person that is known or not. Of course, we are able also to extrapolate all the picture, so all the image that we find, so all the person. So we have also another tools that is named is named video to face, video to faces. So we just need to send, for example, the video here, and output, we just put the output here. So now it's trying to extrapolate all the picture, so all the face recognition that we find in any part of the video. So we stop it. Okay, see the faces. So here we have a lot of image, and so we can find all the persons that have been found inside our video.
Few words about the project roadmap. The new TsurugiLab will be published in the next month, and you can find more updated information at the link right below.
Feel free to follow us on Twitter or send us an email if you want. We hope to see you again soon in person. So thank you very much for your time, and stay safe.
Thank you very much, and stay safe.